Manu Tayal from Energetica, India. Hi, this is Manu Tayal from Energetica, India, and today we are here at REI 2022, and with us is Mr. Bharat Bhut, Director Goldi Solar. Hi sir, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm fine sir, thank you. Sir, first of all, tell me how is the response here in REI after 2 years of COVID?
Response is very good. After 2 years, the people turned up. The event is happening after so many years. So the crowd is good. The quality people are coming, and from last 2 years, the industry has matured a lot, and the number of people turned up are mostly the EPC contractors, installers, and the companies, the vendors.
Have you cracked some deals also here?
We are here just to showcase our product and the company, the offerings. Generally, we don't, crack a deal at Expo.
Which products you are showcasing here?
We have recently launched HJT technology with 710 watt peak, which is the biggest and the largest module available in India that we have launched.
In terms of technology, how you are, as per your experience, you are working for so many years. How Indian market is adaptive towards technology adoption?
See, India is mainly a policy-driven market, so technology adoption is, I would say, at a very slower pace in India. Currently, we are already introduced a very latest technology, HJT, but still people are asking old technology of poly and the old mono technology. So the government push towards adopting a new technology is also required.
So there is a gap just because of awareness of people, or is there any price difference also in mono and this bifacial technology?
This is majorly due to the price difference. The Indian companies, they are not very keen to adopt the new technology at a higher price. If the new technology is available at a reasonable price, yeah, people are ready to get the new technology.
How much percentage of your production you export and how much you consume in domestic market?
See, from last 2 years, we did not have the latest product. We recently expanded in last 6 months. So now we are starting our export again. Earlier we have exported a lot we started our export in 2013. We exported around 40% of our capacity to Europe in 2016. But from 2019, after COVID, our export were very less. But now we are expecting from this year to export around 20 to 30% of our capacity.
So now as the global markets are open and you are looking for exports as well, and you are planning for some expansion as well, can you please brief us about your 5,000 crore investment plan which you have recently announced?
Yes, this 5,000 crore will be invested to ramp up our capacity from 2.5 gigawatt to 6 gigawatt by 2025. We are for modules. Yeah, we are coming up with a cell line. By next financial year, we will start our first phase of cell line, and which will be increase up from 2023 to 2025. It will reach to 5 gigawatt cell line. So we are also coming up with some auxiliary material manufacturing. To run a gigawatt company in India, we need to have the manufacturing auxiliary manufacturing ecosystem, which we are developing around our factory.
So how much percentage of your products are made in India? You have to import raw materials and other things still from outside, from China as well?
There are many raw material manufacturing coming up in India, and many materials are available in India. That is a good part. Still we are import dependent in some raw material. Gradually in next 2 years, we will have 90% of the materials will be manufactured in India only.
So your plan is for the vertically integrated manufacturing you have to set up. So by 2025 it will be, what is the target?
Yeah, we are, as a Goldi Solar, we are aiming to become a vertically integrated company in the renewable energy. So by 2025, we will have the majority of integration is like a forward and backward integration into material manufacturing. We will achieve that by 2025.
So this 5,000 crore investment will be in phases
Yes, it will be in phases.
by 25.
Yes.
So you are featuring here bifacial technology also,
Right.
HGT technology. How is the response you have seen from customers here right now for this technology? Are they looking coming for only just for awareness, or they are willing to adapt also?
Yeah, people are adopting the new technology. Bifacial is very new technology. From last 6 months, we have received many query on bifacial, and it is good because India we have more than 320 sunny days, and the bifacial technology we can harvest power from both the side of the panel. So people are adapting, and we hope the market will turn into bifacial, and in coming next 2 years majority of the demand will be in bifacial.
Can you please brief us more about your manufacturing facility in Gujarat? In the planned expansion will be in same facility or somewhere else?
Currently we have two factory, one 500 megawatt factory that which is our old factory situated in Pipodara nearby Surat. The new factory which we have built, it is in Navsari. It is a small town near Surat. That factory is that can accommodate up to 6 gigawatt of module capacity. We have empty space where we are building a new buildings where we can do cell line, but for the cell line we have not yet finalized the factory where we are going to put up a plant.
For that new factory and new setup, you have to make many changes accordingly. Like besides investments, you have to buy machineries as well,
Right.
and technology and technical persons as well.
Right.
So how you arrange all these things?
Yeah, we are in process of building our team for the technology team for the solar cell manufacturing. For the module manufacturing, we already have a team, and we are making some technology tie-up with the equipment manufacturers where we are bringing technology. Our Navsari plant is fully automated. We are increasing our automation. We are also doing some research on artificial intelligence, which the softwares we will use to manufacture, to make our manufacturing facility more efficient.
Automated.
Yeah, automated.
Okay. So you are coordinating with Chinese players or some other players also, or India players?
Yeah, we are coordinating with the foreign companies. Some of the consultant, they are located in different part of the world, and some equipment manufacturer are in different countries. So it is not that only one particular country, but they are located at very different countries.
As now the global trade has started, so how is the price pressure competition in domestic market?
Domestic market, the price pressure is too much, but still the market, we hope the market is opening up now, and people after the introduction of BCD, the new price, adoption of a new price, people are currently adopting a new price.
Okay. So are you able to compete with the foreign players who are earlier much cheaper for domestic players?
See, without BCD we cannot compete with the foreign players, but BCD in place, we can compete with the import.
Sir, can you please tell us what is your next few years plans for the investment? Is there everything included in 5,000 crore investment, or is there anything else also?
No, as I mentioned earlier, it is included everything in 5,000 crore.
And what are your future target markets, export markets?
Our major target is to serve the domestic Indian industry, but we do have an export plan. As a company, we are exporting our products, so we have the customer base available in the Europe and the US. So that we have to serve that market as well. So we have a plan for exports.
Which market for trading purpose is easily for you as a businessman if you export or you work in India market?
See, India market is easy, and we have our own sales network developed in India. So the easiest market is India, and we are focusing and we are committed to Atmanirbhar Bharat and to develop Indian renewable industry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.